Hello guys, let's make a super easy single serving gluten-free bagel with just a few ingredients and no yeast, no waiting, and no fuss. You'll just need, like was on the screen, a half a cup of gluten-free all-purpose flour, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 heaping teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And so you're going to get a small bowl, and in a small bowl, you're going to combine the ingredients, the half cup of yogurt, you're going to, with the half cup of flour, baking powder, and salt, and you're going to stir it. And you're going to just, mix it together. And when I start rolling or lightly kneading the dough, what I do is oil my hands with a little oil. This morning I used some avocado oil, so it makes the process easier, so it won't be so sticky. And you're going to roll your dough into a bagel shape. And you're going to make sure you place your bagel on a parchment lined baking pan. And you're going to also brush it with some simple egg wash. That is optional. And then for this morning, some mornings I use everything bagel seasoning. Some mornings I just put a pinch of sea salt for extra flavor. That's completely optional if you want to use the bagel seasoning. Then now you're going to pop it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees and bake it for about 25 minutes or until it's golden brown and cooked through. And there you have it. It's a warm, soft, gluten-free bagel made just for you. Crisp on the outside, fluffy, and perfect for breakfast or for a snack. Save this recipe and try it anytime you're craving a quick homemade bite. You'll be amazed how simple it is. And if you like more recipes like this, please like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.